JJ.A.C Tech Channel. How to crimp LAN cable with RJ45 connectors, T-568B standard, simple as 5 minutes. Requirements: hand gripper, heavy-duty bolt cutter, high-tension wire, and RJ45000 connector. RJ45 is a type of connector commonly used for Ethernet networking. It looks similar to a telephone jack but is slightly wider. Since Ethernet cables have an RJ45 connector on each end, they are sometimes also called RJ45 cables. The RJ in RJ45 stands for registered jack. Since it is a standardized networking interface, the 45 simply refers to the number of the interface standard. Each RJ45 connector has 8 pins, which means an RJ45 cable contains 8 separate wires. If you look closely at the end of an Ethernet cable, you can actually see the 8 wires, which are each a different color. 4 of them are solid colors, while the other 4 are stripes. RJ45 cables can be wired in 2 different ways. One version is called T-568A, and the other is T-568B. The T-568B wiring scheme is by far the most common, though many devices support the T-568A wiring scheme as well. Some networking applications require a crossover Ethernet cable, which has a T-568A connector on one end and a T-568B connector on the other. This type of cable is typically used for direct computer-to-computer connections when there is no router, hub, or switch available. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.